Today on Q&A Mondays, we are talking about Triangle Fastener Corporation and why Sheffield Metals partners with them. What's up, guys? Welcome to the Metal Roofing Channel and welcome back to Q&A Mondays. I'm Thad Barnett with Sheffield Metals. It's a great day here on the channel. Today we're talking about Triangle Fastener Corporation and why Sheffield Metals partners with them. And I've got some very special guests on the episode today. So thank you both for being here. Ryan from Sheffield Metals and Ed from Triangle. Can you guys talk a little bit about your relationship and how Sheffield Metals and Triangle works together? Ryan, can you start us off?
Sure. Well, we use our fasteners for our engineered systems are all tested with Triangle's fasteners. I think what makes our partnership work so well is, they have locations within 20 minutes of our branches. So when we need stuff in a hurry, they're willing to drop it off, get it shipped quickly. So it just makes our job a lot easier.
Awesome. And Ed, can you kind of introduce yourself for me and what you do here?
Yeah, sure. My name is Ed Sabre. I'm out of our Cleveland location. I'm the branch manager. I've been with Triangle for 19 years and I've been partnering with Ryan since Ryan's been with Sheffield as long as that's
going on 3 years.
Yep.
So tell me a little bit about Triangle as a company. Tell me a little bit about what it stands for and what it means.
No, absolutely. Triangle Fastener Corporation. We've been around since 1977. We cater to all the industry trades. We specialize in specialty fasteners for metal building, metal roofing, and we manufacture fasteners to our specs.
So Ryan, tell me this. What types of products are we getting from Triangle? What types of assemblies do those work with? And kind of how does it relate to our customers?
Sure. I would say our most popular item we get from Triangle is the clip screw, the 1-inch clip screw. We also get all of our panel tights painted, typically 1.5 inches. We do some of the 3/4 inch stitch screws.
Tell me about the painting. We talked about the panel tights being painted. How does that work and how does that affect us?
Sure. On our shelves, we typically stock all of Sheffield's colors. If not, if we don't have something in stock, we have several paint shops within our company that we can service usually within 3 to 5 days for them.
Yeah, awesome. And Ryan, that's got to be very helpful for us and our customers as well.
It is, especially with the panel tights. All of our locations stock, upwards of 50 bags at all times, more of our popular colors. But when we get a big job and we need a quick turnaround time, that's what makes TFC work so well with us, is they're able to get that to us within 2 to 3 days.
So for Sheffield, it's a big priority to be a one-stop shop for our customers. So how does this partnership help us achieve that?
Sure. Well, they stock everything that we sell to our customers. Anything that goes onto a metal roof, fastener-wise, we're getting from Triangle. And it just makes it a lot easier when you're dealing with the one vendor. They have everything in stock. They can get it to you within 2 to 3 days. So when people are buying sheets or coils from us, they're getting these things from somewhere. And we want to be that one-stop shop for our customers.
Yeah, absolutely. So Ed, what is that relationship like for you? How do you help us be a one-stop shop for our customers?
As the orders come in, it's nice to see that, we can fill the entire order all at once in one shipment to all of your locations. Whether it's going to Denver, Ackworth, Arlington, we can always have a location that can put that order together and make sure you guys aren't waiting on any product, that we can actually get your job going so you guys can then in turn get it out to your customers.
Yeah. And talk to me about quality control and how do you ensure that the products that we are getting and then our customers are getting, how is that end user benefiting from the quality control that you guys do?
Since these screws are built to our standards, we have a real big hand in how they perform, and we put them through a rigorous testing process on our own before they even get into the end user's hands.
Yeah.
So we want to make sure that they're going to perform as we advertise them. We want to make sure our paint holds up as it's supposed to, as they drive as they're supposed to.
So when it comes to our engineering, how does Triangle and their products fit in?
Right. So our technical department, when they put together the engineering for all of our panel systems, they were all tested with Triangle fasteners. That says a lot about, how we feel about their product, and, we want to make sure that we're testing with the best products, and that's why we use TFC.
Yeah, absolutely. And what does that mean to you to know that your customers are using your products in their engineering, their testing?
That means everything. That's what we are in the industry, is we want to be the industry leader, and we want you guys to know that we are providing the best possible product to be used in your systems.
So let's talk about accessibility of the products a little bit more. We briefly mentioned locations, but tell me how your locations line up with ours and what that looks like.
Sure. So here in Cleveland, we're very close to Sheffield Village. We're only about a 25-minute drive, so we have them right on our doorstep. And that's similar in Texas. We have our Arlington. You guys have your Arlington location. We have a Dallas location. You have an Ackworth, Georgia, Atlanta, Georgia. So we have basically all of your locations are covered very closely by our branches.
Yeah, and that does go back to what we were talking about, the ease of accessibility for our customers and providing that one-stop shop on a timely basis.
Right, and even getting, one-off products that we typically don't stock. When a customer says, hey, I need this, this, and this, you guys, we don't stock them, but we're able to get them either with a 20-minute drive or, one-day shipping from TFC.
Yeah, that's a great point. Yeah, and if it's not listed in our catalogs or on our website, just ask, we might be able to get it for you. So Ryan, with such a big operation that TFC has, how do you ensure that the relationship is streamlined between our two companies?
Sure. Well, when I purchase accessories, I do it company-wide. So when I order something for our Ackworth branch, I send the PO to Ed. If I send it to a PO for Denver, it goes to Ed. So I really have one contact, being Ed, who services our entire company.
Yeah, absolutely.
And it's easy to have that relationship when you're not sending POs all over. Ed gets it and he forwards it to the right location, and then he follows up with us saying, hey, this one's shipping to Denver, it's going out tomorrow. We just have a very good relationship when it comes to communication.
Yeah, and I can see how that service is very important when it comes to a company. We do a lot of accessory sales for a lot of different people. So having that ability to talk to you, Ed, and manage that relationship that way is invaluable for sure.
Right.
So when it comes to training, let's say we have a new sales rep or we want to get somebody some information. What does that look like?
Typically, when you guys have hired people here in Sheffield Village, what happens is you'll bring them in here for a training seminar. I think recently we've handled 2 or 3 guys here. We bring them in, show them the pros and cons of what the fasteners are, how to determine what they are, what to use in what application. Yep. And we just go from there and basically teach your guys what you're selling when you're selling them out in the field.
Awesome. Ryan, Ed, thanks so much for being on the channel today. Really appreciate it. I think that gives us a pretty good glimpse into our partnership between TFC and SMI. I hope that gives you some insight as well into why we chose our accessories and who we work with. It means a lot to us and the products that we offer our customers. Comment down below if you have any questions. Subscribe here to the Metal Roofing channel for more. And as always, I'm Thad Barnett. We will catch you next time.